Hello people, welcome to another episode of the PowerMac G5 Adventures, episode number 7 I believe. I am going to switch plans and use Debian instead of a daily link, so gotta grab an ISO first, so let's do that. Okay, so here is the ISO that's been downloaded, and yeah. It's very small because it's a net install, so basically it downloads a lot of stuff from the internet, which is basically why it's so small. It can fit on a CD as well, which is cool, nice. But yeah, it does require, of course, an internet connection, which of course I have because I'm literally downloading the ISO right there, and yeah. So I've got basically open up disk utility and flash this, and I'm probably going to have to target disk mode this because this Mac seems to really hate booting from USB drives. So what I've got to do is put a destination, or not, I guess. Okay, interesting. I feel really fussy about this. Raise switch. Okay. I just. And what file format is macOS 10 extended? Wait, extended. So I'll do that. Or don't I do FAT32? Or FAT or whatever, I can't even remember. See, I'm getting too old, I can't even remember. I'm confusing myself. I switched to Tiger because I think just this utility just hates the flash drive for some reason on Leopard. Okay, so I'm actually able to boot into the USB with some open firmware trickery, also known as typing one command, and having the awkward buttons to press when you're trying to get into open firmware, which is Alt Command O F. So you sort of have to go like that, and then you sort of somehow got to get the O with like your other hand or whatever. It's really a horrible key combination. Seriously, why? But I think I'm gonna have to use my PowerBook to do this because it just, for some reason, likes to boot from USBs. Oh yeah, I need to type shut down. Unless there's like a command for target disk mode. There might be actually. See you in a sec. There we go. You've got a good old whatever GNU thing that is. It's a GNU thing, I promise. But yeah. So just gotta wait for this, I guess, and hope it works. As you can also see, this is on the PowerBook. But I promise you, this is the PowerMac G5 Adventures. I promise. I hate this. What is it doing this? You need to press C, I believe, to access this thing. I'll just I've just sort of accidentally done a thing where yeah, I want my Debian. Oh yeah, I've kind of messed this up. Everything's sort of inverted. And I've done a weird thing. Oops. I only found this out yesterday, so and considering I sort of failed to install Debian, I might try a Deli once again, but I'm a bit in a rush. Yeah, so I've actually managed to get Classic working, which is cool, so I can like open up like Mastodon, wherever it is. In a way, I don't think I installed it on here, but yeah, so I might try that in a sec. Now, I'm not actually sure if this, I tried it on like actual Mac OS 9, and basically I had problems with logging in. Now, I'm not sure if that was a browser issue, it could be, or what's it called, an issue with, I've put the wrong password, but yeah, an issue with the thing. So I'm going to have a look and see what happens. And it says invalid username / password, so I think it just doesn't work. So yeah, with Acoma instead of Mastodon, which is not good. Well, I say that, or it could be something to do with the way that the URL is formatted, actually. Maybe this is not how you format the URL. I don't know, it takes you to OAuth/authorize, but I don't know, it says invalid username password. I have no clue. It looks like Classic has appeared to be frozen, because if I go into here, look at the time, it says 3:45, it's not 3:45, it's 4. So, yeah, not good. And I've tried hitting stop, restart, so I guess the best bet would be to restart. And hopefully it should. I'm pretty sure I selected Tiger as my start disk. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so with some fiddling about, this was a bit annoying. I have actually got it logged in on my Mastodon account. So yeah, as you can see, here's things. Look, images appear right there. Only problem is it only works on Mastodon. So I guess the thing that I did was to enable the proxy in the macOS 10 settings, because Classic follows those settings. I opened the code. This might be wrong, the order, so don't quote me on this. I think this is just memory. I should have filmed it on camera, really. But yeah, I logged it in, and then it gave me an error. So what I had to do was disable the proxy to authorize, so copy the code, and then enable it before I put the code into Mastodon. And that's how I basically got it. So, yeah. I really don't understand why you want a local timeline. I think people just make no sense. But yeah. Look. -12 volts. Is it actually going... is it because it's boosted? Yeah, looks like it. Okay. Yeah, so I can do a post, and I from... is that space? I can't tell. No. Sorry, the space bar's a bit wobbly. Max on in Mac. This is really hard to do. My arm literally hurts from doing this. Mac OS 9 Classic in Mac OS 10 Tiger. Can you not? I swear you could post images because there's a thing saying alt text. Run out of storage. Anyways, yeah, so I was talking about alt text. I saw a button saying alt text, but maybe it's like when you've got a thing with an image, like images can't load, so I don't know. Can you not like scroll down the timeline, or is it just broken or something? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's content warning. Doesn't say what the content warning is by the looks of it, which is really unhelpful, so it could be anything. In macOS Tiger on my PowerMac G5. Just do a nice little exclamation mark and done. Cool. I guess that's going to be it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and goodbye, people.